So we just finished this amazing class on branding and authenticity and how to bring it into your social media and how to make yourself stand out in a competitive market. And here we are with Ivar, real estate professionals. You guys did awesome. What'd you think of the whole thing? How many of you haven't really found your absolute unique message? They want to know you. You're the face of your brand.
The event was really eye-opening.
The truth is that I was very impressed.
We got a lot of good tips out of it. We implement into our business.
What am I honing in on? What am I sharing with people?
In order to have amazing branding, you have to have authenticity.
I have 75 agents in my organization, and the hardest thing is, one, content, but then the fear of just
doing it.
Just doing it.
My takeaway is I need to talk to you, find out where I can sign up for the 12-week class, and sign up immediately.
Confidence comes with practice. So it's just getting yourself out there in front of that camera and you practice. And then all of a sudden you're gonna feel that shift, that connection.